What's good? It's Creative Kera here, back with another video. You hear that silence? That is my gratitude. That's how much gratitude I have. It's so much is silent for you guys, okay? I am at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Like, I cannot believe it. I'm so excited about this. So I'm gonna do a 1K giveaway. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the video. I'm not going to hold you guys up because that's not what you're here for. Maybe you are, but you'll have to stick around to the end to see. I want to discuss how I made this beautiful serving tray with handles that you can make for yourself. Now, I know that one of my last videos was like a tray video, but that was more of like a rolling tray. This is the tray for like your bedside table, a coffee table. You can put your jewelry, you can put a little piece of paper, whatever trinkets that you have in your room or in your living room that you want to display nicely, you can put on this beautiful tray. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video and stick around to the end for the 1K giveaway information. And again, thank you guys so much. But enough about that. Let's get into what you really want to see: how to make this tray to this picture frame into a beautiful acrylic tray. So I'm gonna move those out the way. They'll come in later. Move my paper. Boom. So first thing you'll need is your acrylic. Sorry, there we go. You can see the acrylic. You'll need some cups to mix the acrylic in. You need something to mix it with. I get these little paint, they call it palette knife set, but I get these from the Dollar Tree. And some paint sticks and some paints. So first thing you'll need to do is just really mix the acrylic together, and then that's just 2 equal parts of part A and part B. So I'll mix those together, then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I have both parts mixed, and my resin is gonna look white because it's old, but it'll come out the way it's supposed to. So this is the part that you have to move fast on because this is gonna start drying up on you. So I'm gonna use my base color as black, and I'm gonna add some accents. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of resin in here for one of my accent colors, and I'm gonna pour a little bit in this cup as well for my accent, and I mean just a little bit. Now I'm going to take the bulk of my resin here, and I'm going to mix in some black because I thought this would be super cute, black with gold accents. So you don't want to put that much paint in, like well, it's sunk to the bottom, but I put like a dollop of paint in there because you don't want to change the makeup, I guess you want to call it, of the resin. You add too much of another piece of something, it will not act right. So got the black nice and mixed up, and I'm gonna make my other 2 colors really quickly so they don't start getting dry. So my room is like black, green, pink. So I'm gonna make the small, this gotta shake this up. And again, this is just acrylic paint, 99, everything is like 69 cents. It's usually not that expensive. Hopefully I can use this one. It seems a little watery. Let's try again. There we go. A little dark pink for that one, and I'm gonna go green on my other accent. And you guys, I'm using a drop of paint in these. You don't want to change the acrylic in it. So all right, I'm gonna pour my black in here because why not? And I always make more than I need, and that's just a personal preference. Some people don't like to waste. I like to make sure I have enough before I start, and then trying to go back and mix more before it dries. It's too complicated for my brain. So even right now, I need a little bit more black just to cover this properly so it's even. So I'll probably use all of this. And again, guys, this is the part where you have to work fast. So I'm gonna smooth this around really quickly. Then I'm gonna mix my other two colors and pour, and we're gonna go from there. And this, again, this doesn't take any skill. This is all personal preference, how you want it to look. So boom, I got my black base going on. Now I have my other stirs. I'm gonna stir my pink up. Okay, now I like how that looks. Like, cute. I have some pink gold leaf that I'm going to add to it as well. And I'll put the links down below for everything that I'm using here. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Okay, y'all, it's not breaking off how I wanted to. I just want little pieces of gold leaf, not huge ones. And this thing is just not breaking off. There we go. I always put gold leaf and then I always never like it. So I'm about to take that out. Blooper. Okay, I like it better with less. So there we go. Okay, and then a little bit of glitter, because glitter is always our friend. Just over the top, like seasoning. So it has little flakes, iridescent flakes going on. So boom, we are done with the acrylic part. We moved quickly, everything was mixed well, didn't waste anything, and now we can move on to part 2. So for this, most people would probably do this afterwards, but I wanted everything to dry at the same time. So I'm going to be adding some handles to the end, this side of the tray. So I'm going to my handle bag here. So I have this option, and this one, because these are flat and they'll stick to the tray well. I think honestly, so these are my 3 options. And again, I got these from the dollar store, or not the dollar store, the thrift store. I bought the bag for like $2. You can always just buy handles at Hobby Lobby, Home Depot. You can find them anywhere. I really like these, but they have like a little screw right there, which wouldn't be flat to the tray. But just look how cute that would be. So I don't think I can use those. So I think I'm gonna go with these to add handles to the side of my tray. And how I'm gonna do this, super easy, super quick. I'm gonna use some E6000, stick it to the side. Literally gonna put a dollop here, a dollop there, and I use eye measurements. So, well, not eye measurements, but if you want to be more accurate, you could dot a line here, dot a line there, to kind of know where you want to put them. For me, I like to eyeball things, so and that the E6000 is strong enough to hold it right side up, so you don't have to worry about the handles like falling off or anything. And just only thing you want to be careful of is the glue spreading, so that you don't have nasty glue marks after you're done gluing. So boom, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Dollop of glue, dollop of glue. See how much glue I put on there? And then I'm gonna look, ooh, I lied, it's not strong enough, but we got a solution for it. I'm gonna put a dot, put it right here. I'm just gonna hold that for a few seconds. So now it looks super cute how I'm wanting it to. So the last thing we have to do is use a handy dandy heat gun. I got this from Harbor Freight for like $10. And really just gonna turn this on and move these paints out the way. Really just gonna turn this on and get those last few bubbles out of the acrylic. And here is the final result. A beautiful tray. You can see those sparkles in there a little bit. So beautiful. Okay, so I know you're here to talk about the giveaway or hear about it. So I decided that you guys are my subscribers and I really want to hear from you. So let me know what you guys want down below. If you want a gift card, if you want me to make you an ashtray set, just come up with some ideas, please, and I'll do a 1K giveaway. I'll probably just have you subscribe to me and follow my Instagram, which is, I'll put it right here, it's at KreativeKera, as well as my YouTube channel. So again, thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Like, I cannot believe this. So I really appreciate it, and thank you guys for watching.